Hi, I'm Forky from Toy Story 4, and I'm a lot of fun to make and play with. Well, let's get going. Now, you're gonna need a couple supplies. Make sure you get them all, especially that spork. Can't have me without it. Ooh, nice. Play-Doh, good. Get the spork first, get my arms, and get ready to twist them. Yay! Wait, no, that's not how you do it. Hey! Oh, wait, I guess you can do it that way, but I don't know. Hey, nice bending. My hand is getting going. Man, I like my hand. Looks almost as good as my real one. Oh, wait, that is as good as my real one. Nice bending. Now I can give myself a high five. Now it's time to get on to the other one. Bend, 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 twist and bend. Now you gotta make my other hand. Make sure you get it right, though. I don't want to have a wrong hand. Maybe I can actually grab something with that one. Wait, you're doing that wrong. Wait. Okay, I guess you can do it like that. But it may not look as good. Well, now I can give myself a hug and a high five. There are both of my hands. That's good. Now we just need to get my eyes on so that way I can see. Because you don't want me to walk straight into a wall and fall to pieces. There's my other eye. Man, that's a lot clearer. Hey, yeah, red Play-Doh for my eyebrows. That'll be good. Wow, look at those hands move. Such fast action. Wait, that's too thick. Well, you can do it as thick as you want, but it looks better thinner. So I guess you can do it like that. Now it's time for the blue Play-Doh for my mouth. Make sure you get me smiling, though. I want to have a nice big smile. Ooh, those hands are really fast. Or whatever they are. Ooh. Hey, that's not a smile. Although, it does look kind of cool. But, hey, there's my smile. Thanks a lot. Now, for the craft stick and for my feet, you can break it in half. Or you can cut it. Make sure to get an adult for this one. You don't want to cut something. Because I want you to be able to play with me for a long time and have a lot of fun with me. Ooh, that looks like a good size. Yay! Now, take a Crayola washable marker and write your name on my feet. Hey, that's Bonnie, right? Bonnie's my child. She created me. And you can write your own name on my feet when you create me. Now you gotta flip them over. There we go. Now, you just gotta make my rainbow on my feet. Blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. There you go. Now, get a lot of white Play-Doh so that way my feet don't fall off. And so that way my body will stay upright. Wow, that's good. Looks like it'll hold me. Though, let's see. Yay! It holds me. Thanks for making me. Oh, wait. Yeah, I forgot about that glittery paint. Get a lot on there. Spread it around. Then get 3 dots. There. 1, 2, 3. Yay! Thanks for creating me. See you later when you get to play with me. Bye. Hey, there are all my friends. And hey, Plugged In Family created me. I've known them my whole life. 2 days. Whee!